Welcome to today's 17th podcast video of Labzee Scientific Furnaces.
We offer various models to simplify your work and help preserve your energy efficiently. Dealing with inconsistent heating or complex furnace controls? Our range of furnaces offers precise temperature management, addressing common issues such as temperature fluctuations and inefficient heat distribution. Designed for ease of use, these furnaces eliminate the need for constant monitoring, providing consistent results with minimal intervention. Whether you're in a lab or an industrial setting, you'll experience improved efficiency and reduced downtime, ensuring your processes run smoothly and accurately. Say goodbye to heating systems that require constant attention and enjoy a furnace that works seamlessly for your demanding applications.